absolutely amazing product, mini fridge Cooluli. I really like it. It has such a cool design, comes in two colors, black and white, feels very smooth and very light. It has two handles on the sides. Pushing it on the left side, and you can open the door really easily. You can see two compartments on the door and two shelves. It's very cute, compact and portable. You can bring it anywhere you want to go. You can have it in your car, in your apartment, in your home. Isn't that cool? 2-in-1. So we're gonna unpack this cute little mini fridge that is called Cooluli and see how it looks and what it does. Okay. Okay, here's the handles that help you get it out of the box. It's pretty light. Okay, it goes this way. Oh, look how cute it is. It's so compact, light, and has the handles on the sides. Little fridge here, very smooth and shiny, feels good. Let's see what's inside. Okay, we've got a charger, a manual with warranty, and another charging cord.
Нет.
What we got in this box is this mini fridge, the manual, the charger, and another charger that can be used in the car. Let's take a closer look at this fridge. Look at the back panel of the fridge. It has a fan and it has a display black panel with some function buttons on it. Red and green indicators, charging port, and the button itself, which you can slide in 3 modes. To keep your food hot or warm, you slide it to the hot position. To keep it cold, you slide it to the cold position. To turn the fridge off, you slide the button to position off. This is super cool product because it has 2 functions. I've never heard of a fridge that can both cool down and warm up the food. In the summertime, it's a great solution, especially if you have kids, to take to football games. You can keep snacks and drinks in it with a 15-liter capacity, even if it may seem pretty compact and small. It can fit up to 18 12-ounce drink cans. There are 2 shelves inside of it. A door is equipped with magnetic seals and it ensures a tight closure. The fridge door is securely shut and it prevents air leaks and maintains consistent temperature. This design is energy efficient and convenient. It allows an easy opening and self-closing function when gently pushed. It's convenient, portable, compact. It's 100% environmentally friendly. It is quiet, it prevents frost, and it's energy efficient. I really love it, love it, love it, and strongly recommend it. I absolutely love this fridge. Let me tell you more about it. Let's take a closer look. So it has two handles on the side. It makes it, it's very easy to lift and carry. It has the small legs on the bottom, and on the back side we have a fan here, and we have a panel with switch buttons. This is the charger. Let's connect this part to the back of the fridge. Right here is the charging port. See, the fridge is on. It is in the hot mode right now because the red indicator is on. Now I'm going to show how the bottles can be stored in the fridge. We open this door. We have two shelves on the door side. We can keep our skincare product or cosmetics. These bottles are pretty big. We can put it in the top shelf like that, and it fits perfectly. Let's put this guy here and this jar here. It's all good. What? Oh. Overall, this fridge is amazing. It's compact, portable. You can take it on the go to your office, to your car. You can keep it at home. It has two features, cold and hot. It warms up and cools down your food. I just love it and hope you would love it as much as I do.